Hey Don, how familiar are you with the 2021 Dodge Ram? The 2021 Dodge Ram comes in 8 different trims. This particular vehicle is the Rebel. It comes with a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. It gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, 21 miles per gallon on the highway. It has a 5-star crash rating, and you also get a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. You also get a 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. With 8 different trims to choose from, I'm sure you'll find a Dodge Ram that's right for you. You can get anything from a 5.7 liter V8 to a 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi. Now, my favorite feature about the 2021 Dodge Ram has to be this 12-inch Uconnect screen. If you have any further questions about this vehicle that I've shown you today, please don't hesitate to call me. My number is on the bottom of the screen.